Hey guys, welcome back to another video in the series. In this video, we'll be learning about pointers and receivers. So the original plan for this video was to make a calculator by using everything we learned so far. However, I haven't taught you pointers and receivers, so that's what I'm gonna do in this video. So if you're new to the concept, pointers are basically an address to a variable. So for example, if I have a variable x, let's say 5. So to create a pointer in Go, first let's make a variable name pointer. So what you do is you type in ampersand sign and x. So basically what this represents is a pointer to an x, to the x variable, I'm sorry. So if I print x, I save that, I run it. Pointer declared, oh sorry, not printing x, but if we print the variable pointer, we get this. This is basically the address where the variable x is stored. So that is how you create a pointer. Now if you want to read the data that is stored by the pointer or the data that the pointer is pointing to, what you do is you just put a asterisk before the pointer. So if I save that, I run that, I get 5. So that is called receivers. That's how you read what a variable is pointing to, or what a pointer is pointing to, I'm sorry. Now what we can do is we can go down here and we can say star pointer, and we can say is equal to 8. We can do that, and if we come down here and if we print x, it gets changed to x. So that's basically what we are doing is we are updating the data that x stores. So that's pointers and receivers. Now how do you pass pointer to a function? So first let's create a function called set2. So what this will take is, first it will take an address. So to define the data type of a pointer, what you do is you just say star int. So basically what this means that adder is a pointer to a variable which is of type int, and we'll say new value which will be int. Let's go down here, and what we can do is we can say star adder is equal to new value. So we can do that, and we can come up here and we can say set to x. Let's set it to 10, or I'm sorry, not x but ampersand x. So we don't want to pass the variable x but the pointer to the variable x. Let's save that, let's run it, and we get 10. So basically this function changed x to 10. So that's how you use pointers and receivers in Go, and that's how you pass pointers in a function in Go. So that's it for the video, and in next video we'll be making a calculator from whatever we have learned so far. So that's gonna be pretty good and pretty interesting to do. So meet you in the next video. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you loved it. It really means a lot to me, and thank you for watching. Meet you in the next one.